Adding pictures to your Savvy Designs website using PowerCMS is very easy to do. In this example, I'm going to be adding a picture to the About Us page of our demo site. To do this, I have to first log into PowerCMS. This is very easy to do using your My Admin panel. Once logged in, I'm going to select the page that I want to edit. In this case, it's going to be the About page. And in the Content area, I'm just going to click Edit. This will allow me to edit the content of this particular page. Through this area, I can easily change and add text, pictures, links, pretty much anything that I want to do without worrying about altering my design. For this example, we're going to add a picture. To do this, I'm going to place my cursor on this content area, and I'm going to click this image button. I'm now going to click Browse Server because I actually want to upload an image from my computer. Now you'll see that I already have a couple of folders created. This is just to keep things organized. To create folders, it's very easy. Just right-click and click Create Subdirectory. You can name your subdirectories anything you want. And that'll allow you to keep things organized as you upload files into your server. This isn't a necessary step to do, but it really does help out. I'm just going to delete that because I already have my folders already set. I'm going to select my Images folder because I am uploading an image. And I'm going to click Browse. I'm just using these Windows sample pictures. I'm going to use this jellyfish picture. Now I've selected the file that I want to upload, but now I have to click Upload to actually upload it. Once I do that, you can see that it's uploaded into that folder, and I can now use it throughout my website. Now right now the jellyfish is already selected since I just uploaded it, but if I click off of it, you'll see that the gray box is gone. That means I have nothing selected. I can select any image that I want to insert, but in this case again I'm going to use my jellyfish. So once I have that image selected, I'm going to click OK. Now I'm brought back to this panel that shows me a preview of my picture. I have a few different options here. I can insert alternative text, which I highly recommend. This helps you not only in your search engine results, but it also helps those who visit your site who might be visually impaired, as their browsers will actually read to them what that picture is using this information. So I'm going to type jellyfish. Now I can change my width and my height. You'll see that my picture is pretty big, so it doesn't even really fit my preview pane. And automatically it's set to kind of lock into place the scale. So if I change the width to 500, you'll see that my height automatically changes as well. Now I'm going to make my width pretty small just so I can kind of show a few different elements of what's here. There's a border option. If I wanted to add a border around my picture, I can do that. I'm going to put 10 so you can kind of really see that border coming through. If we do 30, it's really big. I'm just going to do a border that's 3 pixels. Horizontal space and vertical space is pretty much kind of a padding, a little space between your image and the rest of your content. If I add 10, you can kind of see in the horizontal space where that kind of moves from left to right. In the vertical space, if I put 10, again, top and bottom, there's a little bit of padding or space there too. You could really see this again, and just for exaggeration, I'm going to put 50 for these. And you can see how kind of the rest of the content around it is going to react. For this example, I'm just going to go back to 10. Now my last thing I can do is set my alignment. You can see right now that the image is kind of above the text itself. If I wanted to wrap that text around the image, I can put my alignment to the left or to the right and allow my text to kind of wrap around it. And again, here's where you can really see that horizontal space and that vertical space kind of come to play. Once I have everything set the way that I want it, I'm just going to click OK. And now my image is in kind of my preview pane here, my edit pane. If I wanted to get back to those image options, I can just double click my image. Or I can just simply select my image, and you'll see these little guide boxes around it. And I can use those to adjust the size of my image. I can also click my image and drag it around in case I wanted to put it in a different place. And of course I can move my text around a little bit too, just to get everything right. Once I have everything the way that I want, I'm just going to click Update. And now I can go back to my website. Of course, click Refresh or Reload to see my changes. And now you see my picture that was added into that page using PowerCMS. This is how easy it is to add pictures to your Savio Designs website using PowerCMS. Please look at our other support videos so that you can get the most out of your Savio Designs website.